Okay, yes, it's time to hit the nail on the head. It's time to hit the nail on the coffin. It's time to say out everything the way I was told, the way I saw the news, the way I saw all the information on the internet, on social media platforms. Right. I got good news for people of Bulawayo. I got good news for Ndebele people, Ndebele people. I got exciting news, amazing news to people of Matebele province, either Matebele South or the other province, and the Matebele region or Matebele province. I got good news for you. I got great news for you. I got exciting news for you. I got amazing news for you right now today. Okay. I saw a lot of comments on my channel on many of my videos. The series I was doing about Bulawayo, about Ndebele people. I saw a lot of comments. And some people were saying, the government of Zimbabwe does not care about the people of Matebele, does not care about Ndebele people in terms of providing basic services or providing basic infrastructure when it comes to road networks or when it comes to road infrastructure in Bulawayo City, Bulawayo Town, or any part under Matebele province, any part under Matebele region. But what I want to say today is going to straightly confuse that kind of a thought or those kind of words or comments or messages that I was seeing or receiving on my channel. This is because the government of Zimbabwe, as I talk to you now, they've a master plan, they've a grand plan to build or to construct this road by the name Gwanda Mapisa Road. Gwanda Mapisa Road. From Gwanda town to Mapisa, they've a plan, a grand plan, a master plan. Right now, as I talk to you, they are planning to build that road, to upgrade, to rehabilitate that road right from Gwanda town straight to Mapisa. Yes. So all those comments like, the government does not care about Matebelend or does not love Matebelend is gonna be a thing of the past. It's gonna be a thing of history because the government is planning, is organizing, is based mobilizing resources, every kind of a resource, financial resources, human resources, human capital, manpower, material resources to build that road, build, construct, engineer, upgrade, rehabilitate that road from Gwanda town straight to Mapisa. This road, Gwanda Mapisa Road. So this is the plan on the table of the president, Dr. Emerson Mnangagwa, and his government and his cabinet. They want to build, construct, engineer, upgrade, rehabilitate this Gwanda Mapisa Road. So this is exciting news for people of Matebele province, Matebele South, Ndebele people, or everyone who stays in this part of the world, in this side of the world. I know you're going to be happy. I know you're going to be jovial. I know you're going to be celebrating this kind of a development, this kind of a move. Gwanda Mapisa Road is coming this year, 2025. I'm telling you, I'm sure about that. This year, 2025, before it wraps up, before it closes, the government is going to send companies, contractors to build, upgrade, rehabilitate, develop that road, Gwanda Mapisa Road. Yes, amazing news, great news, exciting news to the people of Matebele, to the people of Matebele province, Ndebele people. Yebo. If you got any comments based on what I've said, drop, write, type in the comments box, say in the comment section, comments box about this development, about this amazing project, about this amazing work done by the president, Dr. Emerson Mnangagwa, and his government and his cabinet, right in here, the country of Zimbabwe, the nation of Zimbabwe. Of course, in this other side of the world, which they call Matebele province, in that part of the world, that the term or name or brand or label Matebele region, this is where the development or project or the work is going to take place. Gwanda Mapisa Road, from Gwanda town straight extending all the way to Mapisa. It's coming this year, 2025. Check the local listings. Watch the space. It's coming right your way. Yes. See in the comment section. Let's talk about this further. Let's discuss about this further in the comments box. I'm done talking. Peace out. Sharp.